So let's look at a couple examples of integration with U-substitution here. So first one here, we got a problem where we've got a radical and we've got something outside the radical. And you're not going to be able to simplify this by distributing or anything like that. You might want to rewrite this as rational exponents here. So t cubed times t to the fourth plus 5 to the 1/2, all right? Don't try to distribute this here. Can't do anything with that. You can't really even square root this or square it or anything like that. So what we got to do is we've got to take our innermost part here, and we're going to define that as u. So we're going to say let u equal t to the fourth plus 5. And then we need to define du, or define du. To do that, we're going to use the fact that du dx is equal to, use our power rule, 4t cubed, and plus 0, the 5 goes away. And if we multiply this dx to both sides, if we change it up this way, we get du equals 4t cubed dx, thinking of dx as an infinitesimal there. All right, so 4t cubed. So we're going to change this into an integral in terms of u. So what do we have so far? We've got the inside here is u. So we have u to the 1/2. That's great. But we still have this t cubed and dt to deal with here, which I just noticed a mistake here. I put a dx. This is a dt. We don't have x in this problem. We have t's. Okay, anyways, dt. Great. So we have t cubed times, and this is all times dt. Well, we have that. So we can approach this a couple ways. If we divide both sides by 4, we see that du over 4 equals t cubed dt. So we're going to swap out that t cubed dt for du over 4. So we have all the parts we need here, and we've got this extra 1/4. So this is divided by 4, or we know that that's times 1/4. So we can pull that 1/4 out. This is all multiplication here. So let's pull out that 1/4. These are all equal. Okay, and we have u to the 1/2 du. Another way you can think of it is this, little side note here. Du, we need a du in the problem, so du is 4t cubed dt. So another way we can do this is we can put a 4 in here, but we can't just change the value of it, so we'll need to put a times 1/4 out here. So there's our 4t cubed dt. 4t cubed dt, okay? So, and so when we swap out this out, 4t cubed dt is going to swap out for du, and this 1/4 is going to be left behind. So two ways to think about it. Either solve it for what you have, or add in what you need with that little creative approach there. All right, so now let's go ahead and take our integral here. So our integral, we're going to add 1/2, 1 to the 1/2, that's 3/2. And then we're going to divide by 3/2, which is multiplying by 2/3. Okay. And then we've got our plus c here. Don't forget your plus c. And we'll just clean it up a little bit. And we end up with 1/6 u to the 3/2 plus c. There it is. But wait a minute, we don't want to leave it as u, so let's do that substitution. U was t to the 4th plus 5, so this is going to be 1/6 t to the 4th plus 5 to the 3/2 power plus c. That is our final answer there, okay? Not really this other one. All right, well, how about this one here? So our u is going to be the inside part. And so u is 1 plus x cubed. And so we're going to find du will be 3x squared dx. All right. Well, we can rewrite this. If it helps, we can rewrite this as 1 over 1 plus x cubed squared. And this is x squared dx. So we see we've got our x squared dx there. We've got that part. So we can swap that out, but we need to solve for x squared dx here. Or we can use the fact that we're off by a factor of 3. So if we multiply in a 3 here and multiply by 1/3, then we'll be good to go. Now we have everything we need there. So we either need to change the way the integral looks, or we can solve for that over here in this du equation. So let's go with that there. So this becomes 1/3 times the integral of 1 over u squared, and 3x squared dx is du. Okay. And so this is 1/3. This is, maybe rewrite it one more time, u to the -2. A little easier to see that way. Now we can use our power rule. So we've got 1/3. Using the power rule, we have, going to add 1 to -2, and we get -1. And divide by -1, which is just the same as multiplying by -1 there, plus c. And so that ends up being -1 over, we'll put the u back downstairs, plus c. We'd like to have positive exponents in the end. Again, I'll stop there. What is u? U is 1 plus x cubed, so we need to resubstitute. -1 over 3 times 1 plus x cubed plus c. All right, there you have it. So, basic steps, once again, is to choose an appropriate u for the substitution, find du, then substitute for u and the du. We get everything in terms of u, find your integral, and then resubstitute to get your final answer. All right, hope that helps.